Let's look at this JAMB past questions, biology 2018. Question number 7. An increase in air pressure in the lungs is due to the A. Increase in the volume of the thoracic cavity, B. Upward movement of the rib, C. Relaxation of the diaphragm, D. Contraction of the intercostal muscles. Now, for us to be able to understand this question and appreciate it very well, we need to know the mechanism of breathing. We need to understand the mechanism of breathing, which is actually what is happening for us to have all these. And this is the mechanism of breathing in human beings, in man, and many other mammals. And basically, it involves inhalation and exhalation. That's what breathing is all about in human being. Inhalation and exhalation. That's breathing in and breathing out of air. Inhalation means breathing in, exhalation means breathing out. Now we have that during inhalation, what actually happens during inhalation? During inhalation, air is taken in into the lungs. That's what happens during inhalation. Air is taken in into the lungs. Now when the air is taken in, when this air is taken in, the lungs intercostal, the lungs intercostal muscles contract. That's what happened. The lungs intercostal muscles contract. You understand? So whenever there is inhalation, there is contraction of the lungs intercostal muscle. This is option D. That's what happens when there is inhalation. But we are not stopping there. We need to understand the full thing that happens during inhalation. So it contracts, the lungs contracts, and the chest cavity increases, and the chest cavity, which is also the thoracic cavity, increases. So this also happens when there is inhalation of air. Now there is also an increase in air pressure of the lungs. There is also increase in air pressure of the lungs. There is increase in air pressure of the lungs. There is increase in air pressure of the lungs, and also because of this increase in air pressure of the lungs, there is now relaxation of the diaphragm. Relaxation of the diaphragm. So the increase in air pressure and relaxation of diaphragm works together. So there is this relaxation of diaphragm, you understand, and it causes the increase in air pressure of the lungs. So that makes this C the answer to this problem. Now, to further explain this mechanism of breathing, now as for exhalation, what happens is that the lung relaxes. You understand? In exhalation, the lung relaxes. That's what happens here. The lung relaxes in exhalation, and the chest cavity decreases. The opposite of what happens in this place. The chest cavity decreases and the diaphragm contracts. Here the diaphragm contracts, unlike in inhalation where the diaphragm relaxes, and there is decrease in lung pressure. There is also decrease in lung pressure. So most of these things happen in inhalation, but actually what causes the increase in pressure of the lung is due to the relaxation of the diaphragm, and that makes option C the right answer. Thank you.